In this video, I want to talk about how do you create Facebook Reels from your business page. Yes, you can do that, and not your personal Facebook profile, from your business page. I'm going to show you all the steps that you need to do. So first of all, here's I'm logged into my Facebook, and then let's go to one of the pages that I manage. So iSocialU, that's one of my pages. So when you go to one of your pages, scroll down, and this is where you're going to see the right underneath the create post button. You see three options: photos, create story, and then the reels. That's where you're going to see the reels option on your Facebook business page if you're able to create reels or not. Now, if you don't see this option here, there's a way you can get it. So I have a separate video. I'll put a link to that video in the description and comment, so check that out. So if your page does not have a reels option, go watch that video. There's some settings, the location that you can change, and then you get that reels button. But this gives your page, the Facebook business page, which is this one, ability to create Facebook reels. So how are you going to do it? Let's jump right into this. So I'm going to click on this button. I think in future it's probably going to be much easier and better, but for now that's the only way we can create reels. So this is the camera experience. It's pretty similar to what we see on Instagram, and also, like, on, to be honest with you, very similar to what we see on TikTok, or the features are very similar. So let's talk about all of these features one by one. The first one is the audio. When you click on this, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can select different music, audios from here, and on top you also have a saved option. So if you click on this, here are different music or audios that I have saved, so I can use these in my reels. So very simple. The next one is the length. How long do you want the reel to be? So right now on this page, I have an option of 15 second, 30 second, or 60 second. That's the maximum you can do. On some of my pages, I can only do 15 and 30. There's no 60-second option. So it's just going to depend. Speed up, very self-explanatory again. You can speed up if you do 2x, 3x, it's going to be fast video. And then if you want to slow down, just do 0.5 or 0.3. That's going to slow it down. Effects, I don't use much, but there are a bunch of effects that you can look at that. You can use in your videos. So you can play around with a lot of different effects library Facebook has. The next one is the timer. So what is timer? So there are two sections on this one. So on the top is the countdown. So basically this is, so imagine if I don't have anyone and I'm kind of making my own selfie videos or reels, I can do a countdown of 3 seconds, get in position, and then let's say I want to record for 7.6 seconds, right? That's what this does. So you can set the countdown timer and then identify or tell the reels, the Facebook, how long you want to record. So some people record in segments, so that's where this can really come in handy. Next one is green screen. So this is really cool as well. There are different options, green screen options you can use. You can also go to your camera roll and pick something from there, but you've seen, and I've seen a bunch of people using green screen effects and videos on TikTok, also Instagram Reels, and now it's coming to Facebook Reels as well. So that's pretty cool. So let me turn that off. There you go. I don't want that for now. So that's that. And then the other thing I want to show you is obviously the button at the bottom is the front facing. So you're going to see my face. Hey, what's up? And then here's the back camera. So that's this button right here. If you want to upload, that's the other thing. You can also upload stuff from your camera roll. Before we do that, I want to show you the way you record. It's kind of, I call it like pause and record, very similar to TikTok. So just click on, press and hold, and it's recording. On the top, you can see the timer, right? If I let it go, it's going to stop. I can go back. So that's the first segment. Let's say I want to do another segment. So it's pause and record. So here's I can see the red bar on the top. And then whenever I'm done, there are a couple of things I can do. I can edit, and then I can trim these segments. I can reshoot. I can speed it up. So there's basic functions you can do on your video segments. Let me go back. I do not want to discard this. The last thing I want to show you. Ooh, it came out of the Reels, but let's go back. I'm going to click on Reels. So I'm back into the camera experience. The last thing I want to show you at the bottom, you can also upload Reels or videos from your camera roll. So I can click here, and then here is, let's say I want to use this video. I can use that video. So I'll it's, let's say I downloaded that video from TikTok or Instagram, or maybe it's on my camera, I can upload that video to Facebook Reels. And once you bring it to your Facebook Reels camera, you can do editing, you can add audio to it, you can add text to it. So that's another, just gonna say test. Here you go. And then when you click on this, I can change the color, all that kind of like cool stuff. There you go. I can change the size. Very, very cool. And then also, if I was speaking in this, I can click on the captions and it will add the captions to that video. I can also add different stickers. And then when I'm done, I'll hit next. And then this is where I'll write the description. You can use hashtags. I've been experimenting with hashtags and no hashtags, so you can test with both. And then when you're happy with everything, click on share reels, and that's how you can create reels from your Facebook business page. Very, very simple. And Facebook is paying money. Facebook wants you to make money from Facebook Reels. You can make up to $35,000 from Facebook Reels bonus program. I'll link a video. Actually, watch this video on the screen to learn more about that $35,000 program. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.